Guys, I give you a homework, right? Last class, but not. Alaikum salam. I have given you a homework, but not everyone did it.
Teacher, the homework page what?
Page what? Check it.
Question, sir. The
Last homework was page 112.
112.
Yeah, teacher, it was homework.
Yes, but not a lot of people, or not a lot of students have submitted. Only few of you submitted their homework, and others didn't. I don't know why. And for those who have submitted, they made some mistakes, especially in question 7 in page 113. Many of you have made mistake. So, okay, I want to correct your mistakes. Right. Mistake was like, one of the question was one minus a number that will give you 0.21. What should be the number here?
Me. Teacher, me.
Yes, Suhaib.
Billah.
79.
Yes, Suhaib.
Teacher. 89. No, 79. 79.
79 like this.
Teacher, 0.89.
0.79.
0.79.
No, teacher, 89.
Like this.
Yes,
Correct, yes?
that's correct. But some of the students, you know, they did like 0.22. I don't know why. A lot of you. Why do you make this? I think they thought like this is 0.22. So you take one from here, it would become 0.21. This is wrong. When you minus decimals, you have to make it like 1. Where is the decimal point for the 1? Where is the decimal? 1.0, right? 1.0 is equal to 1. So the decimal point of the 1, because 1 is a whole number, it doesn't have decimals. What does this look like? This looks like you have one whole, okay? This is one whole, for example, okay? One whole means 1, okay? So when you divide this 1 into 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then each part is going to represent 0.1, right? But the whole is 1. So when you make complements to 1, for example, if you have 2, this means if you have 2 parts, this means 0 point. Hey guys, what do the 2 parts represent? 0.2. Am I right? What about the other parts? Other parts will represent. Someone tell me. 0.8. Why? Because there are 8 parts. So 8 parts means 0.8 and 2 parts means or represent 0.2. So both of them, when you add 0.2,
1.
yes, both of them will make one whole, right?
2.0.
1.0. Why? Because 0.2 this plus
يعني استاذ
0.8, 2 plus 8 equals to 10. You carry the 1 and you put the decimal point here. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So it's one whole. This is one whole. One whole means that without decimals, without parts. But when you divide this one whole into parts, it means you are dividing it into decimals. So you are going to represent the part in decimals, okay? The same thing happens with our problem here. 1 minus 0.79. This means 1.0 minus 0.79, right? What is very important here is to align the decimal point. If you don't align the decimal point, you will get the wrong answer like some of you have done. So after you align the decimal point, you're going to start subtracting from right. So here is 0. 0 minus 9 cannot, you have to borrow. This becomes 0, this becomes 10. And when you pour off 1 from the 10 to this place to the 1, this becomes 10, this becomes 9, right? Right. 9 minus 10, 10 minus 9 is
1.
1. 9 minus 7, 2.
2.
The decimal
2.
point, then 0.
0.
It is the same, right? You have to be careful about this, guys. Another question is, what is the number you add with 0.18? That will give you 1. What's the complement of 0.1 to 1? What will it be? No, 1.8. Is 1.8.
0.7.
No, 1.8, 0.18.
The answer will be 0.82.
82. Good. What will you do? You're going to subtract this from the 1 to get this, right?
Yeah. Right.
So you would say 1 minus 0.18. Why did I do like the 1 above the 0? Because the
Because
whole
1 is
numbers, always whole numbers comes to the left of the decimal point, and decimals comes to the right of the decimal point. So I have one whole number and I have zeros here, right? Then when you subtract, sorry, 0 is above the 1. Okay? Okay. What is this place? What is this place?
Tens.
unit.
No, this
Unit.
unit. What did you say?
Ounce.
Ones, right? Hey guys, this is ones. Wait,
Like this one.
wait. Again, I will write it again. If you have the decimal point here, this place is ones. This place is tenths. And this place is
100.
hundreds with th, hundreds. Okay. Right. Now I will place the numbers in
جامد.
its places. Okay. I'll place.
ليف
Shh, quiet.
ليف يا حبيبي.
Quiet. Mute.
هي أبدا.
السلام عليكم teacher.
Walaikum salam. طيب. What you're going to do is
Sorry
to
teacher
place
for late.
Muhammad. Okay. Muhammad, focus here
Sorry for
because you
late.
made. Okay, no problem. You have mistake in the homework, so please look here. طيب. So to find the number here, the number you add with 0.1918 to give 1, you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 0.18 from the 1. So I'm going to place the 1 where here, where? In the ones, because 1 is in the ones. But what about the 0.18? It's going to be the decimal point here, so 0 is here in the ones. 1 is in tenths.
110. 800.
8 in hundreds. What do we have in tenths and hundreds here?
0 0.
0 0. So the answer is here, subtract 0 minus 8. Take 1 from, oops,
Going for the
this becomes 0, this becomes 10. And when you take 1 from the 10, this becomes 9. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9
2.
minus 1, 8. And the decimal point, 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is the number here?
0.80.
0.82. So 0.82 plus 0.18 equals 1. Okay? Always when you do like this, you have to align the decimal points. طيب. خلاص guys.
Teacher, but can you repeat please?
This?
Everything you explain
طيب.
because
I have explained what is 1 minus what. 1 minus what number will give you 0.21? This is from homework.
No, I can't watch this lesson.
I'm solving the homework because a lot of you who did the homework made mistakes with these problems. Okay? 1 minus what number will give you 0.21? Because some of you has written like 0.22, like this. Okay? So as I told you, here 1 is one whole number. It doesn't have decimals. So it means it's 1.00. Why did I put the 00 to subtract from this number or this number? Okay. So when you subtract 0.79, what will you get? You have to align the decimal point. Okay. Decimal point should be underneath the decimal point, and the other digits must be, the decimal should be to the right of the decimal point, and whole numbers must be to the left of the decimal point. So 0 here should be underneath the 1, and the decimal point here, 7 underneath the 0, and 9 underneath the 0. Right, now you will subtract, you will get this. So the number you subtracted from the 1 to get 0.21 is 0.79, not 0.22. Right. One last example for you to to make it very clear?
Teacher, this is very easy.
On homework question 7, A and B was correct, but C and D
Yes,
was
C and
false.
D.
Yeah.
Okay, what about this? 12, 6, 7. Okay, what is the number you will subtract from 1 to get 0.67? What is it?
0.33.
Teacher, 33. 33, teacher.
Why 33? Why?
Because teacher,
34, teacher.
Let's
no,
let's make sure you have to subtract this from this, right?
Right.
Like
Yes.
1 minus 0.67. Is it going to be like this? 0.67?
No.
No,
No zero under the 1, and 1
Yes.
it would be
because
1.0.
because the 1 has a decimal point here and 0 is here, right? So
Right.
decimal point must be underneath the decimal point, and 0 is here, 6 is here, 7 is here, so 0 is here. Now you will subtract 0 minus 7.
cannot, teacher.
Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 16 is 3,
3.
so the number is 0.33.
Yes.
What can we say about this number and this number? These two numbers will make 1, right? 0.33 and 0.67 will make 1 whole. Okay, so these are complements to 1. These two numbers are complements. Complements means to make complements to 1 is means that these numbers will make 1. This is very important. Okay, so today let's get started with how to multiply.
Here easy to multiply. We
Multiplying
take it.
by
100. Oh, 1,000.
okay, by 10, 100, 1,000.
1,000.
طيب, for example, 0.2 by 1. 0.2 times 10, sorry. What is the answer? طيب, there is a rule here. Whenever you multiply by 10, you have to move the decimal point to
I'm going to be
it's going to be
0.50.
It's too old. It's too old.
2. Why? Because
we,
you are multiplying by 10. Do you remember when we okay, wait, do you remember when we studied how to divide by 10? We used to say you have to move the decimal point to the left, right? So the opposite here with the multiplication. With multiplication, you will move the decimal point to the right. But how many places according to the zeros here? How many zeros with 10?
1.
1. So you will
1.
move the decimal point 1 place to the right. So it will be 2 point, then 0. 2.0 means 2.
2.
Clear? Like, what about 0.02 times 10?
It's going to be 0.0.2.
0.2, right? Why? Because we need to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. Which is bigger now? Which is bigger, 0.2 or 2?
2.
2. So always when we multiply, we get bigger number, right?
Yes.
So when you, to make your answer, to make sure of your answer, okay, you have to look at the number you got. The number you got must be bigger than numbers you multiply. Okay. طيب.
Okay.
What is 3.2 times 10?
32.
32. Why?
Because we moved the
Move
decimal point.
decimal point one place to the right. So it will be 3, and decimal point should be after the 2 here, right? So what should be here? 0. So the number is 32. You can write it like 32 without the decimal point because we have zeros. This is the same. Okay? طيب.
Okay.
Let's multiply by, okay, one more example about this. 3.67 times 10.
36.7.
36.7. Anyone didn't understand this? Please tell me.
I understand all. Easy.
طيب. Let's multiply by 10 by 100. 2.5 multiplied by 100.
25.
Is it 25?
Zero,
Remember, we have 2 zeros. 2 zeros.
Teacher,
zero,
teacher 250.0.
Yes.
250. Teacher
No,
250.
Muhammad says 0.25. No, Muhammad, no. You have to move the decimal point to the
25.
right.
Teacher.
Mm.
Teacher
25.
is 250.
250. Why?
Okay.
Why?
Because
Because
move
we
this
move
one.
Okay.
point
This is
to
2.5. You will move it one place and 2 places, right? Here, decimal point should be here. So
So
what
it's
should
going
be
to be
here?
0.
0. Okay, so the number is 200 and this will be here, 250. Clear?
Okay.
Clear, Muhammad?
Here.
Okay.
Right. What about
teacher, it's 2000 and
which one?
the answer it's this is 200. Teacher, I
250.
don't understand.
Right, Muhammad, when you multiply
Teacher,
it by
this is the
100,
answer or is this is the number here?
this is the answer.
Yes.
The number is 2.5 multiplied by 10.
I think that this is the number and we have to multiply it by 10 or by 100.
The number is 2.5. You multiply it by 100, okay?
When I want to start
Hmm.
2.5, when I multiply by 10, it is 25.
Yes, 25. When you multiply by 100, is 250.
250.
If you multiply by 1,000, it will be
2,500.
2,500. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Right. One more example: 7.45 times 100. The decimal point must be shifted 2 places to the right.
745.
700.
745.
5, yes.
Exactly. طيب. طيب. What about 0.3 times 1,000?
Teacher,
Yes.
30.
Going to be 3,000.
No, teacher, 300.
3,000 or 300?
100.
Let's see. This is 0.3. Wait. We have to move it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
300.
So the decimal point must be here. And 3 here is 0. Here is 0. So the number is 300 and decimal point is here. Okay. طيب. To make it clear, just let me copy this photo from the book to visualize the digit places. Okay, here it is. The number was 0.3, right?
Right.
So when you move it 3 places, this is the same as when you move the decimal point 3 places. This is the same as you are moving the number 3 places to the left, right? When you move the decimal point to the right, this means you are moving the numbers 3 places to
Negative
to
side.
left. So move this number 1, 2, 3 places to right, to left. Sorry, it's going to be 300, right? 300. You have two ways, guys. You have two ways. Whether you move the decimal point to the left, to the right, okay, or you move the number 3 places to the left, okay. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Yes.
So you might see in the book they move the number to the left. It is the same as you move the decimal point to the right, okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, teacher.
So here they have moved the number 3, or all the digits they have been moved to the left 3 places. So 3 becomes in hundreds instead of tens. The same what we did, we moved the decimal point to the right 3 places, 1, 2, 3 places. So 3 was in tens, but here 3 becomes in hundreds, right? 3 here in what? In which place? In hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Say okay or not?
Okay.
Okay.
I hope so.
Teacher.
Type.
Last 5 minutes, teacher. Last 5
Okay, we
minutes.
are going to finish now. This today is
6 minutes.
Teacher.
today's lesson is very easy, simple.
Yes.
Yeah.
Type.
Teacher, today we want to give
Multiply 0.12 by 1000.
Teacher, what is the homework?
Teacher, 4,000, 4,120.
Like we can move the decimal point 3 places.
Teacher,
It's going to be
4,120.
decimal point will be here, right? So here should be 0. It's going to be 4,120,
20.
isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
طيب. So that's all for today.
What's the homework?
Teacher, the lesson is very easy.
Yes. Have you finished exams? Are you done with
Yes.
exams? All the
We
exams?
We have Quran exam.
Only a Quran exam. So easy Quran.
Yes.
طيب.
No, teacher.
Hard.
Are you afraid of giving you homework?
No, teacher, it's very easy.
Teacher, you have the exam.
طيب, homework.
it's very, very easy, teacher, not just easy.
Homework is page
No, have exam.
180. Oh,
Yes,
hold the whole page.
18, number 1, 2, and 3.
Teacher,
Very easy, teacher.
who have exam? Teacher,
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Okay, if you couldn't do it today, do it after the Quran.
Teacher is very easy, teacher. It's like a game,
Yes.
and they just like
Muhammad.
us.
Mhm.
Muhammad,
Very easy. طيب guys, any question before we go?
محمد
thank you. No, teacher.
طيب
No.
stop here.
Goodbye, teacher.
مهند